Got a missed call from you the other day. Don't really know what there's left to say. You don't really fuck with me no more. I still got excited when I got your call. I don't really get what you're trying to do. I don't really get what you're trying to prove. Keeping me wrapped around your finger like you always do. I know you didn't even mean to call. Now you got me feeling all alone. I'ma drink right from the bottle tonight. You always find your way back into my life. Why can't you just leave me alone? Wait, no, please don't go. I don't know what I mean by this. Now you got me all up in my feelings.
You and my missed calls. Do I call back right away? No, it's a missed call, but if not, I'll be okay. Don't know what you want from me. Why do you let me down like this? Oh, let you and my missed calls. Do I call back right away? No, it's a missed call, but if not, I'll be okay. Don't know what you want from me. Why do you let me down like this? Oh, let you know I'm on my way to your house now. I don't know what's going down now. Friends kick me out the whip, feeling good now. Haven't been here before, no one around. Tryna get through to you. What is it coming to? She following what I do, and you ain't in my view, in my view.
I was on my job like Steven. Why you calling me with no reason? iPhone drew back then, it was easy. Now I be wishing I know you need a genie. Wanna be through with you, I ain't in no fucking mood. You best watch who you bring it to. I just wanna go stick and move, stick and move. Missed call, you ain't mean to go dial that, I'ma still respond. When not to get pissed drunk. Say you wanna go right now, 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 still down.
You and my missed calls. Do I call back right away? No, it's a missed call, but if not, I'll be okay. Don't know what you want from me. Why do you let me down like this? Oh, let you and my missed calls. Do I call back right away? No, it's a missed call, but if not, I'll be okay. Don't know what you want from me.